Good morning. We got into Anau last night and just had dinner and went to bed because today we're gonna go on a cruise of the Fiordlands and Milford Sound, and it's gonna be really nice because look, it snowed last night and we're waiting for the road to actually get opened from all the snow. We have arrived at Milford Sound and the drive here was amazing. I didn't know what to expect before we came here, but thoroughly impressed and surprised. And now we're gonna go to take one of the boats and head out to the fjords. Super excited. From Anau to Milford Sound is a 2-hour drive, and there's about 30 stops in between. So we've come all the way to the end to do the cruise, and then on the way back we're going to stop at a lot of these places, and we're going to come back tomorrow as well, and maybe the day after. That's our boat. That was truly incredible. First stop, the chasm, where apparently there's some nice cascading waterfalls, although there's waterfalls everywhere here, so no surprise. 20-minute hike.
No.
20-minute return hike, 1 kilometer, no drones. No drones anywhere here. I'm crying. I think we found our sunrise spot for tomorrow. This is Lake Gun. Check it out. You have no idea how badly I want to fly my drone right now, but laws are laws, so no flying in national parks. We are back in Anau now, and we've come to the lake for the sunset. It's quite a thick layer of clouds, so I don't know if there will be a sunset, but it's worth a try. So we just had a quick chat with the other two photographers that were here before us, and apparently the sunset had already happened. Apparently because the sun goes behind these mountains, it happens about 40 minutes before the actual time that you see on the apps. So we kind of missed it, but it's blue hour now and it's still very nice. And we have this beautiful pier here that I think makes for a very nice image. So we're going to take some long exposure pictures regardless. It's alright, but I think we need to come back for the proper sunset if the weather remains nice. Human subject always helps. Now let's go to sleep. We were about to have breakfast and this beautiful rainbow just appeared over the lake. Check it out. Look. So as you can tell, we didn't get up for sunrise because the weather was full of overcast clouds and rain, and still raining a lot. So we've come to Milford Sound anyway, one last time. We're gonna go up the divide and to a few different places that we didn't go yesterday. But now I'm taking the time lapse of the clouds moving through the mountains while we wait out the rain a bit. We are now at Humboldt Falls. Sorry about the audio and the shakiness. I'm not carrying a microphone or a gimbal for this 30-minute return walk. It's not too far, but it's raining, so I don't wanna. Here we go. back to that pier that we were at yesterday, and today there's probably going to be a nice sunset. So finally a decent sunset. Whew. Now we have dinner reservations, so we're running away. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the bottom part of the image as a long exposure to have that clear, nice water and smooth water, and then I'm going to probably combine one of the static cloud images that I took for the top part. Just had a lovely dinner and we're back at the pier to shoot the stars because clear skies and there's a lot of stars. It's a little windy out there.